everyone, it's Alexis LPS here. Today I am going to be doing a inventory tour, so hope you enjoy. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe and dislike the video, and tell me why you didn't like the video, because I can always improve. So yeah. So I've got a couple of clothing beaters. I'll just show you what I've got. So if you see any items you want from my inventory, just tell me in the comments below, and you can buddy me, and yeah, we can trade. I'll just go down, and you can pause the video if I go too fast and you want to look at some items. So yeah. All these like bad items are like junk from my Wolfie Cat Lily account. I have to go to school and I don't know why. I'm recording this at 6:22 in the morning. Wow. So it's a whole bunch of junk. I don't think these are junk. Like some of this, like this probably isn't junk, but to me it kind of is. This isn't junk, it's rare. But it's not really worth anything. Oh jeez. Junk. Good item. Well, this is good items. This is 2. I'm gonna go slowly because I'm going way too fast and you can barely even see any items. So if you see anything you want, just tell me in the comments below, and I can I will respond to you saying what's your username, and you can tell me, and we can buddy each other on Animal Jam, and I'll put on trade. So yeah. Someone in my inventories. Someone in our denim. I think so. I thought someone went past. And my mom's awake. Probably have to get the video really quickly now. Yay. Don't have to edit it. So that's all the items on this account. I'm going to go over to this account and show you. I'm going to go really fast. Animal Jam should at least give the members 200 spaces for items, because seriously, they can barely even, like, they always have to go and get 1,000 accounts. I've got gazelle horns. These are not for trade because I really like them, and I think they might come around up soon, like when people start to like recycle them stuff. I'm keeping them. I'm wrong. Like they're so good for looks. I know a couple of famous young ones wear them. I think they used to. And we have some elf armor. And yeah, that's my inventory tour. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.